sorts.
Dude.
Although they do call me the leader.
Yes,
That's pretty cool.
because you led us into this trap.
Hey, I thought the tour sounded funny.
What name do they call you? You need to scan your biosigns.
Painless dispatch.
And then a simple wave of your hand will be your passport into my inner sanctum. You will have them taken care of.
Yeah, I think they do get covered up.
Indeed.
And anybody get part for one in.
Friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know!
Where I
carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Enough of this guy! What? Of course I escape! A billion volts may be a good deterrent, but it also turns an electric toothbrush into a very aggressive drill. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm sneaking through the ducts, and I'll meet you on top of your lift and take us all the way up to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance. Then the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh, and look what I swiped. Now move it.
Is that a new permanent change?
What's that?
Is Rocket gone?
Yeah, he's had a issue this morning. So,
Oh, just this morning.
yeah, I was working earlier.
Okay.
So
We
they
were like,
put-
oh, I've never had that before. So it's like, is that a permanent change or just it was?
It's just for now. They gotta figure out why he's having problems.
Awesome.
If you do monsters have the doctor, he's not gonna be able to do it either.
Oh, okay. Good to know.
Raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete.
All right, row 3.
You may now enter the gantry
right
lift.
hand side, row 4, right hand.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Okay. Whoa. thematically inconsistent.
Yes, right. You got my walk there. Yeah.
Hey guys, ready to go?
Our ride's here. Thanks, everybody. See ya.
We are out of here. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Why are you thinking of? They're very sensitive. They did nothing. We did all the fighting. They did not help us at all. You should be thanking me. Thank Drax.